Hello everyone. Now I'm going to talk about problem 1 for homework 4. Find and draw fy in terms of fx with the relationship of gx like this. We first draw y equals gx to determine what is happening to this function. For y equals gx and x, it is 2 for x less than 0 and 0 for 0 to 1. And for 1 to 2, it is this, and it keeps minus 1 for x more than 2. For y less than minus 1, it must be 0. And for y more than 2, it must be 1. Okay, when the value of y is this part, from minus 1 to 0, the relationship is y equals minus x plus 1. So we can know that this is the probability of y less than y. It is actually 1 minus x less than or equal to y. It is x more than or equal to what? 1 minus y. Okay. This symbol is different, so it is actually 1 minus fx 1 minus y. Similarly, this is the derivation of fy this. Now we have to draw the function of fy. What is happening now is that this is minus 1, this is 2, and this is one point, this is another point. This is what we have discussed before. This part is 0, and this part is 1. When y equals minus 1, what is happening? It should be one minus fx2. And for y equals 0, it should be 1 minus fx1. It is something like this. Consider y from 0 to 2. This is something tricky because there is no x directly linked to this part. So it should be the fy should be a constant. How to calculate this constant? Maybe we have to find fx0. Now we may discuss the fx. Look at this function and fx is something like this. It is very close to 1 when x grows to the infinity, and very close to 0 when x declines to minus infinity, something like this. So this should be considered in this part. And it just jumps like this. Now we consider the fy minus 1, 2. For this part, we have known that it is this fx 1 minus y. So we discuss this part, and it may be something like this. Very similar. We may just draw things like this. For y equals minus 1, it is an impulse. Actually, for y equals 0, it is another impulse. For y equals 2, a third impulse. That's all for this problem. Thank you for your listening.